Alright guys, with this video we're going to talk about how to attract local followers with WeChat. Now with WeChat there's a feature called friend radar. Okay, now this is going to be the place where you're going to start with in order to find people in the local area. Maybe if you are in Queens and so on, then you can start utilizing this as a way to find people in the Queens, which is in New York. Okay, and then if you are in Manhattan, do the same thing, find people in the local area, just gonna be in this certain area alone. Now what is the point of finding local followers? Well, you can utilize this for your restaurant business. Okay, it could be for your tanning salon. All right, it could be for your local kickboxing class. Okay, it could be for anything at all. So the point in here is you want to utilize this as much as you can to find people in the local area. Maybe you can put up an event or a workshop or something in that radar itself to build your momentum where you're able to grow your business to the next level itself. So the first step will be your friend radar, and the second step is to go to your local non-profit organization. Okay, organization, and then there will be Chamber of Commerce. Okay, Chamber of Commerce, and all these things allow you to make more friends, where a lot of time, especially if they are Asian, they are usually utilizing WeChat. You can use just that. Now I've seen some people in the New York area, what they do is they trying to collect the information on the street. Like, hey, if you I'm gonna give you free keychain. All right, and then they categorize women, young woman, and then age between 18 to 28, and then they're trying to target Asian. Okay, and then maybe they're selling cosmetic or something like that. Now what they do is, hey, if you do you want a free keychain on the street in exchange for, well, add me to your WeChat account or whatever it is. And what they do in here is they're going to start selling stuff maybe that has to do with cosmetic. Okay, maybe it has to do with handbag, towel, cute towel or something like that to these young women in a certain area. But they create a demographic research first. Where should I target these people? And that's how they put them into a WeChat account. This is very powerful. So if you want to attract them, you can use the friend radar, non-profit organization, Chamber of Commerce, or you can just go to the street and give them keychain or whatever it is that you want to do, and then in exchange that, for them to add you to the WeChat account. All right, so that's all for now, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care now, guys.